أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم ماكثين فيه أبدا. ماكثين, not ماكثين. What is the difference between this sa and the letter sin? Sin is a letter with a whistling sound, sifat of safir, which means whistle in it. Sin in this way. But this letter sa has no whistling sound. But if you pronounce with it, then what are you doing? You are removing this and adding this sin here. That means you changed a letter from the Qur'an, which is a haram mistake, right? That is why you have to be very careful with the makhraj first. Letters, changing the letter is not allowed. Ma ki sina, si. How to pronounce this letter sa? Your tip of the tongue, this part, will touch the corners of your upper front incisor teeth. There are 4 incisor teeth at the top, right? On your upper jaw and the lower jaw, in the front part, just under your lips. You have to touch the corners, these corners, okay? The sharp corners from where you bite anything. That corners you have to touch your tip of the tongue, keeping it little outer. Sa. Then you will see there is no whistling kind of sound in it, no safir, sifat in it, right? Makithina fihi abada. Same ha with a blunt sound. Makithina fihi abada. Abadan will become abada while stopping. Madal, riwad rolling. Repeat with me. ماكثين فيه أبدا.